GST Cancellation, simplified by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If your business has shut down, changed structure, or no longer meets GST requirements, it's important to cancel your GST registration properly to avoid penalties and unnecessary compliance burdens. At Filings Corner, we make the entire GST cancellation process easy, accurate, and fully compliant, so you can close your registration stress-free. When can GST registration be canceled? You can cancel GST registration either voluntarily or through action taken by GST authorities. Voluntary cancellation. You can apply for cancellation if your business has shut down permanently, your turnover falls below the GST threshold, you've opted for a different tax scheme, like the composition scheme, your business has undergone a merger or acquisition cancellation by authorities. The GST department may cancel your registration if you haven't filed returns for 6 months or more, you're found involved in fraud or tax evasion, your business is inactive or non-operational, you fail to respond to GST notices. Consequences of GST cancellation. Even after cancellation, there are a few things you must take care of. Pending tax dues must be paid. All liabilities must be cleared before closure. No more ITC. You can't claim input tax credit once the cancellation is processed. GST on remaining stock. You must pay GST on unsold inventory. Final return filing is mandatory. You'll need to file GSTR10 to close your GST account. Late filing, penalties. Non-compliance can attract interest and fines. Documents required for GST cancellation. To process your GST cancellation, we'll need your GSTIN, proof of business closure, final GST returns, including GSTR10, invoices and stock records, bank account details, a written reason for cancellation. Don't worry, Filings Corner takes care of preparing and organizing all your documentation. What if GST cancellation gets rejected? In some cases, your cancellation request may be rejected. Here's what that could mean. You'll be required to continue filing GST returns. You may need to appeal to the GST tribunal for cancellation. You could face audits, scrutiny, or penalties for non-compliance. With Filings Corner by your side, we'll guide you through appeals and help you resolve issues quickly and legally. How Filings Corner helps you. Here's what we offer to make GST cancellation smooth and worry-free. Expert filing of GST cancellation application, reconciliation of outstanding tax liabilities, final return filing, GSTR10, to legally close your account, appeal support, in case of rejection or notices, end-to-end assistance, so you can exit the GST system cleanly. Affordable GST cancellation services. Why struggle with forms, deadlines, and portals? At Filings Corner, we offer seamless GST cancellation services at an affordable price, no hidden charges, no confusion. Exit GST the right way with Filings Corner. Whether you're closing down, restructuring, or just simplifying your tax obligations, let us handle your GST cancellation professionally. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to file your GST cancellation request now. Filings Corner, complete compliance from start to closure.